Is your Hotpoint or Indesit oven blinking F03 at you? Well, that's your oven's way of telling you there is a problem, specifically error code F03. Luckily, this is one of the few error codes you can fix yourself without the need of an engineer visit. Let me show you how. Hi, Bryn here. So firstly, appliance error codes are very manufacturer and model specific. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code F03 for Hotpoint and Indesit ovens only, so this won't be a relevant or an effective fix for any other make and model of oven, even if it has a similar error code. Also, before I start, if you need any assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint error code support page. There's a URL on the screen, and I've also put a link in the description below. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint error codes, how to read them, and what to do about them. So F03 is known as an EEPROM or programming error, or sometimes known as a configuration error. Now this error is fixable at home by taking the oven back through its initial configuration, essentially returning it back to its default setting. And to do that, you need a code from the oven service sticker, which is most often found on the inside of the door. Now on the sticker, you'll see the code we're looking for just here, 3 or 4 digits separated by a slash. So in this case, it is 912. Now keep a note of that, we're going to need it in a minute. Okay, so here's what we do. Start by turning the power off for at least 30 seconds, then switch the machine back on again. Push and hold down the OK button, and after about 5 seconds, the machine will make a short beep. Push the OK button 4 more times within 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the word conf appears on the display. Push and hold the OK button for at least 1 second, and in the window you'll see UI followed by 00. Now use the rotary knob to select the first number from the service sticker. That was the number before the slash separator, so in our case that's 09. Like so. Then press the play key to advance. Keep advancing with the play key until an AN appears in the window. Now here's where we're going to put the second half of our code. That's the 2 digits after the slash separator, so in our case that's 12. Again, press play to confirm. Now advance through all the different test steps with the play button. Keep advancing until you get to TEOF. Rotate the dial until TEON appears. Then press the play key again, and the machine is now configured and good to go. So there you go, that's worked for me and everything's back to normal. To book an engineer local to you or to live chat with one of our service team about anything error code related, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.